GitHub had 4 major outages in March. Let's review them. On March 3rd, code was deployed to reduce the number of writes to the user settings caching mechanism. The recalculation and rewriting of this cache caused replication delays, cascading to all affected dependencies. GitHub.com, the GitHub API, Git operations over HTTP, GitHub Copilot, and GitHub Actions were all affected. The deployment was immediately rolled back, and long-term fixes include a kill switch, which allows the feature to be disabled immediately in production without deploying new code, improved monitoring on the caching mechanism, and decoupling the cache to isolate failures. On March 5th, infrastructure updates for Redis were deployed to production, which introduced incorrect configuration into the load balancer, resulting in internal traffic routing to the wrong hosts. Workflow runs were severely impacted, with 95% of runs failing to start within 5 minutes and 10% failing with an infrastructure error. The load balancer configuration was corrected, and long-term fixes include better automation to prevent incorrect configuration propagation, alerting for misconfigured load balancers, and updating Redis client configuration and actions for better interruption resilience. On March 19th and 20th, GitHub experienced 2 outages from the same issue. System authentication issues prevented the Copilot coding agent service from connecting to its backing data store. Users were unable to start new sessions or view existing ones, with peak error rates at 95% for the first incident and near 100% for the second. Rotating the affected credentials mitigated both outages, and automated monitoring for credential lifecycle events and improved operation processes to reduce detection and mitigation time will be put in place as long-term solutions. On March 24th, an upstream dependency outage caused HTTP 500 errors and connection resets for the Teams integration service. Microsoft Teams integration and Teams Copilot integration services were unable to send event notifications to Microsoft Teams, resulting in a 37.4 average error rate with a peak of about 90%, and approximately 19% of integration installs failed to receive notifications. They fixed the upstream dependency and are working on updating the observability and runbooks to reduce mitigation time.